Hello, I received your question here. I guess Maria, an experienced shipping clerk, can fill a certain order in 14 hours. Jim, a new clerk, it takes him 15 hours to do the same job. Working together, how long could they fill the order? So this is arrangement of the formula I like to use. The time together over the time alone of one of the individuals plus the time together over the time of the other individual alone equals 1. This will be what part of the work one person does. This will be the part of the work the other person does. Together they'll complete the one task. So the time that takes them, which what we're looking for, I call that X. Time alone of one person is 14 hours, time alone of the other is 15. So I just put that in numbers in here and the X in here. And that's the equation, and now it's a matter of solving this equation. And so you have to find the least common denominator, generally the way we do it, which should be, least common denominator would be what, 14 times 15, which is let's see, 150 be 210. And so now what you want to do is multiply each term by 210. So if I do that, let me give myself a little more space here. And so I'll write this down, x over 14, leave myself some space, x over 15 equal 1. So I'm going to multiply, instead of multiplying by 210, I'll multiply by 14 times 15. So I'll say this is times 14 times 15. This is, oops, I didn't leave myself much space. This is 14 times 15. And then this one is 14 times 15. So I'm multiplying each term. You got 3 terms here. Multiplying each of them by 210. Okay, and then you see here this is over 1, so I can mark out the common 14. This is over 1, so I can mark out the common 15. And so that will leave me, here I'll have an x and a 15. Here I have x and a 14, and then this is 210. So I have 14x and plus 15x equals 210. And so that would be 29x equals 210. And looks like I'm running out of space again. Can I move this up? And so I need to divide each side by 29. And so x equals 210 over 29, which I think the computer would accept that. Or, you can simplify that, and that'd be, let's see, what would that be? That'd be like 7, 29, 29 going 210, 7 times, then how many would be left over? Let's see, would it be 7 left over? Let's see, let's check what they have up here. Yeah, it'd be, I'm looking at the answer here, yeah, it'd be 7 left over. And, so, hope this helps. Oops.